All right, so our last performer for today is going to be Tessa, who is going to announce her name and her piece as well. You want to go ahead?
So hi, I'm Tessa, and I'm gonna be performing a draft of Waltz and Variations.
All right, so that was Variational Waltz from Britten, performed by Tessa. All right, so I am going to start. Change the view real quick. All right, so I'm going to start the poll, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so this. Oh wait. Okay. You guys can start filling out the poll, and then if you have any verbal feedback, you can go ahead and raise your hand. Does anyone have any verbal feedback to give before I start calling on people? And does anyone, you guys can see the poll, right? Because I don't have any responses at the moment. Yeah? No? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna call on a couple of you guys just to give some feedback, and then make sure to fill out the poll. You got it. So, yes, if you want to go ahead.
I don't have any verbal feedback.
Sorry, say it again.
I don't have much verbal feedback. Yeah, I kind of like the dynamics, but yeah.
All right. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. And then, does anyone else have any verbal feedback? No. All right. So, have any of you guys filled out the poll? Because I currently cannot see any responses on the poll. You want to give me like a thumbs up to confirm or something? You filled out the poll? Okay. Wait, is the other Oclef instructor, is that Adele? Oh, it's Amy. Okay. Can you see the poll? Can you see the poll?
It says 5 of 6 people have voted.
Okay, so then would you mind like reading off the responses, I guess?
Okay.
Everyone voted on the poll.
So number 1, rhythm. 1 person voted 3, 4 voted 4. 2 is 4 people voted 4. 1 person voted 5. Pulse, 1 person voted 3. 4 people voted 4. Dynamics, 1 for 3, 3 for 4, 1 for 5. And for articulation, 2 for 3, and 3 for 4.
Okay, sounds great. Yeah, overall, I thought it was a pretty clean draft. It was pretty good for the most part, and you have the free feedback from there. But I think if there's any one major note that I might have is be careful you're pedaling. There's 3 sections that it felt a little bit heavy on the pedaling, so it felt a little bit muddy at times. But yeah, beyond that, that was pretty good.